Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make money online. Fiverr is a biggest website to make money online. Fiverr is a global online marketplace for freelance service. Fiverr's platform connects freelancers, sellers to people or business looking to hire. Listings on Fiverr are diverse and range from get a well designed business card to help with HTML, JavaScript, CSS, and jQuery. The highest paying jobs on Fiverr include website designs and social media manager, proofreading and copyright, and resume writing. Fiverr takes its name from the $5 asking price attached to all tasks when the company was founded in 2010 in Tel Aviv. These days, many sellers charge much more, and the site is increasingly bringing its freelancing high income. Freelancers work from variety of workplaces ranging from home to office. This platform is global with freelancers and business spanning estimated 160 countries. Fiverr went public in 2019. Today it is a multi-billion-dollar global marketplace. Criticisms: Fiverr has received criticisms for advertising very cheap graphic services. At the end of 2014, Fiverr's Facebook page advertisement saying you are paying too much for design caused a public outcry. In 2013, Fiverr lifted the $5 base price and began allowing logo designers, graphics artists, voiceover artists, and the other sellers to charge the base prices they set for themselves. After a job has been completed, a buyer has full rights to request for a refund. In 2017, Fiverr has criticized for advertisements portraying unhealthy living and excesses in work behavior as ideals to live up to. Fiverr currently has an A plus rating from the Better Business Bureau, an improvement from 2018 when Fiverr received an F rating. In 2019, Fiverr received a B rating after responding to customer complaints. Fiverr International Limited annual report how global freelancing platforms are supporting Ukraine freelancers. Thanks for watching.